the last time that we met in 2024, I had been the Minister of Home Affairs for only a few weeks. And at that time, I argued that Home Affairs should no longer be viewed merely as an administrative department associated with the issuing of documents, processing of visas, and often with queues and other negative stereotypes, but that in addition to its central role in national security and civic administration, Home Affairs also had to be regarded as an economic enabler, because every decision taken by this department has the power and potential to influence investment, tourism, skills, and economic growth. I'm glad to see this is still relevant, more relevant than ever, because just yesterday we reached our latest milestone in exactly this quest of positioning Home Affairs as an economic enabler by gazetting the intake for the next phase of the Trusted Employer Scheme. The scheme is now bigger and better than before, as we have expanded its focus to include major infrastructure projects, companies setting up headquarters in South Africa, as well as the financial services sector, while cutting red tape and digitalizing its administration. I encourage all interested companies to take this opportunity to apply to the Trusted Employer Scheme before the 4th of September through the Home Affairs webpage.